There's billions of high-quality texture websites out there, but I always find a few big problems. First of all, these things are not cheap and oftentimes are really, really expensive. This is my room. Do you see any money lying around here? No! Okay, problem number 2. These often are really low res and look like complete garbage in any scene. This isn't Minecraft, guys. Finally, I just can't find what I want. After hours and hours of searching, there's just nothing out there. So, you're making your own custom textures. That's great. How? Okay, so there's actually 3 main ways of doing this. First, we could use traditional photo editing softwares like Photoshop or GIMP to manually extract this out. Now, there are some problems with this as well. First of all, you're just manually estimating this, so it's never actually going to look that great. And even if you were really smart and made it look kind of good, it still takes a bunch of time, which is useless because it costs a bunch of money. It's Photoshop. So our second option is going to be using Blender instead, which is of course free. Now I'm not going to cover how to do this because there's already an awesome tutorial by CG Matter just about it. But there are some problems with this as well. It takes a bunch of time and you're just estimating too. So what's our magic solution? Well, there's actually this ancient program called Shoebox where all you have to do is drag and drop your texture in, click the 4 points over where the texture are, and you're actually done. It calculates it all for you. You can save it out, call it whatever you want. And that's literally it. You can throw that into Blender or whatever and make a little scene. I've probably done this process at least 1,000 times. It's so efficient and it's just awesome. Now one thing, if you try to do like something like cement or whatever, then obviously when you try to tile this, it's gonna look really, really bad. And that makes sense because this thing isn't seamless. So how do we make it seamless? Well, there's this awesome website called Image Online where all you have to do is select your file, choose one of their AI methods, and you're done. It solves it all for you. It's awesome. So yeah, links to all of this stuff is in the description if you want to check that out. Also, this is the first tutorial I've ever actually published onto YouTube, so it would mean a ton if you hit that subscribe button. I've got some pretty cool stuff coming soon. See ya.